Do you think Tesla stock is a buy right now? Trading around $150, it is a far cry from the $800 valuation prior to the stock split in August. Still, many believe that now is a good time to buy more Tesla shares. Even institutional investors have been stacking up on Tesla stock. You definitely would not want to miss this one. He's done some remarkable things. Elon may turn the world on its head in several sectors. Warren Buffett said of Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Warren Buffett is an American business magnate, investor, and philanthropist. He is the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, which owns more than 60 companies, including insurer Geico, battery maker Duracell, and restaurant chain Dairy Queen. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of all time. When asked about his thoughts on Tesla and its controversial CEO Elon Musk, Buffett vaguely answered, "He's done some remarkable things." Buffett also said this about the famous EV maker. Elon may turn the world on its head in several sectors. Buffett has previously hailed Musk as a wonderful individual, but has also stated that he has room for improvement and should be more judicious in his tweeting. It is no secret just how controversial Musk is, especially with how he exchanges tweets with his followers. Some may even argue that at least half of the time Tesla trended is not actually because of the brand itself, but because of its leader. On the other hand, Musk responded to a Twitter thread claiming that he was worth more than Warren Buffett and Bill Gates. He joked, perhaps Warren Buffett should invest in Tesla. Like most stocks in the stock market, Tesla stock has had its fair share of highs and lows. And like other big corporation stocks, it's a bit of a difficult stock to predict, even for the most seasoned Wall Street analysts. However, despite his positive outlook for Tesla and good words for its CEO Elon Musk, Buffett appears to be a believer in BYD and GM. While Berkshire has never invested in Tesla, the company held $6.1 billion of Chinese electric vehicle stock BYD company ADR and $2.2 billion of General Motors company stock as of the end of 2021. However, things took a turn when Buffett started selling his BYD shares. Because of this, people have been speculating that Buffett has secretly been buying Tesla shares. In a previous interview with former CBS anchor Charlie Rose, Buffett praises Musk's accomplishments at Tesla. I mean, Elon, he's taking on General Motors, Ford, Toyota, all these people who've got all the stuff, and he's got an idea, and he's winning. That's America, you can't dream it up, it's astounding, Buffett said. Recent news shows that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway is continuing to unwind its long position in BYD, China's largest homegrown EV maker and Tesla's major rival, after holding it for 14 years. This led people to assume that Warren Buffett is selling BYD to buy Tesla stock. Recent statements from Berkshire Hathaway's vice chairman did not help quiet down suspicions that the company is buying or at least preparing to buy Tesla shares. It can be noted that Buffett's right-hand man, Charlie Munger, recently stated that what Tesla has done in the car business is a minor miracle. In a recent CNBC Squawk Box episode, Munger spoke highly of Elon Musk's electric vehicle company Tesla, calling it an amazing feat in the American auto industry. "I was certainly surprised that Tesla did as well as it did," Munger said in the interview. However, Munger noted that he does not equate Tesla with Bitcoin. According to him, Tesla has made some real contributions to this civilization and that its CEO, Elon Musk, has done some good things that others couldn't do. "We haven't had a successful new auto company in a long time. What Tesla has done in the car business is a minor miracle," Munger said. Influencer Christopher Dungeon believes that there is a 25% probability that Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger have been accumulating Tesla stock for Berkshire Hathaway. In a series of tweets, Dungeon shared his thoughts about Buffett's secret purchase of Tesla shares. Dungeon said in a mid-November tweet, "My 25% subjective probability is not a formal mathematical calculation. Instead, it is my own personal belief and judgment that an accumulation of at least some small scale, less than $1 billion, is currently happening behind the scenes." Dungeon also laid out some of his rationale and theoretical reasoning about the matter. He pointed out that Charlie Munger recently had nice things to say about Tesla and its CEO, Elon Musk, after having just been negative on Tesla in February of this year. It can be noted that Elon Musk once said Berkshire Hathaway's Charlie Munger told guests at a lunch all the ways his EV maker Tesla will fail. In a tweet in February, Musk shared, "I was at a lunch with Munger in 2009 where he told the whole table all the ways Tesla would fail. made me quite sad. But I told him I agreed with all those reasons and that we would probably die, but it was worth trying anyway. However, in a recent interview, Munger says he doesn't recall that and went on to praise the company. Dungeon believes that the reason for the sudden change is that you don't talk badly about a company you own. This definitely makes sense, as you would never want to badmouth a product that you're pouring your money on to produce. Dungeon also noted that during the interview, Becky Quick never followed up with Munger to ask if he or Berkshire was accumulating Tesla stock. That would normally be an immediate follow-up question, but likely never asked because the talking point was off the table prior to the interview taking place, Dungeon claims. According to Dungeon, buying Tesla shares now is the ultimate contrarian move, as nobody wants to touch it. PMs don't care about the underlying fundamentals, they care more about Twitter and Elon selling more shares. Elon's sales have absolutely zero to do with Tesla's value, zero. Buffett thinks long-term, says Dungeon. During the recent Q3 earnings call, Elon Musk was asked if he would consider putting his diverse ventures under a parent organization like Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, and he simply answered that he is not Warren Buffett. I actually work and design and develop products. We're not going to have a portfolio of investments or whatever, said Musk, who heads EV maker Tesla, the aerospace company SpaceX, infrastructure company The Boring Company, and now Twitter. Musk, currently the world's second richest person with a net worth of $163.7 billion as of December 19, 2022, indicated he would want to keep his companies separate. It's not clear to me what the overlap is, he was quoted as saying by Fortune. Elon Musk explained why he is not like Warren Buffett, as two of the world's richest men have divergent approaches to business. The Tesla boss has in the past dismissed Buffett's advice to investors to find companies with moats, or buffers around them. In 2018, Musk said moats are lame, and it is the speed of innovation that matters, CNBC reported. Still, it is evident that Buffett believes in Elon and consequently Tesla's potential to perform splendidly in the not-so-distant future. The EV industry is becoming bigger by the second as more automakers are joining the fray. Probably sooner than later, companies will be able to catch up to Tesla and produce EVs of the same quality. However, Tesla remains to be the leading EV company to this day, and it does not stop at that. It works in their favor that the Tesla team continuously comes up with and develops more innovative products. Although Tesla did not invent the electric car or even the luxury electric car, it did invent a successful business model for bringing compelling electric cars to the market. Tesla's unique business model, which includes keeping control over sales and service, is one reason its stock has soared since its initial public offering. That said, many financial analysts and investors see Tesla as a technology company rather than a car company. At least, that's how they justified the growth of its stock price starting in 2013, when it shot up by more than 300% within a single year. Tesla became one of the most valuable companies in the world, with a market capitalization of over $600 billion. The car maker delivered 343,000 vehicles in the last quarter. Still, Tesla continues to strive to make progress. Tesla is relatively new to the automotive industry as compared to other legacy automakers, as its first ever vehicle was launched in 2008. Despite being the latest brand, it has the most technologically advanced vehicles on the market. Well, as billionaire investor Charlie Munger said, Tesla has made some real contributions to this civilization. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more Tesla stock content.